Following is a hazardous weather bulletin for the following counties in Tennessee: Blunt Smoky Mountains, Cox Smoky Mountains, Johnson, Sevier Smoky Mountains, Southeast Carter, Southeast Greene, Southeast Monroe, and Unicoi. Wind advisory remains in effect until 7 a.m. Saturday. What? Southeast winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour. The strongest winds will be late this afternoon through the evening. Where? Blunt Smoky Mountains, Cox Smoky Mountains, Johnson, Sevier Smoky Mountains, Southeast Carter, Southeast Greene, Southeast Monroe, and Unicoi counties. When? Until 7 a.m. Saturday. Impacts: gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects.